In any business and for any asset in the modern industrial world, there is a frequent need for gap analysis. It helps us to monitor and report on compliance with standards, regulations, practices, and procedures to continually improve the quality of our lives and businesses. How do you keep track of this essential process in your organization? Plan and execute a gap analysis process for multiple areas, assets, and people. Create gap analysis document templates. Monitor gap analysis and gap assessment work, risks, actions, and deviations. We think there's a better way to run this process, smarter, simpler, and more uniform. Welcome to the world of GA Lab. Whenever a need for gap analysis arises, GA Lab takes you all the way through the planning, execution, and reporting on compliance in relation to every single requirement for your asset or business. GA Lab provides you with a complete end-to-end gap analysis management solution. With GA Lab, you gain a 360-degree view of your entire business's quality and compliance with standards and regulations. You will now be able to build a register of your assets with all the applicable standards and regulations for each part of your business. Plan and execute gap analysis work. Assess each and every gap to identify risks, create corrective actions, and provide deviation statements. And provide clear and uniform gap analysis reports, or simply export your data to spreadsheets for further detailed analysis. GA Lab's powerful set of tools will help you to perform a gap analysis process, focusing on the subject of your work rather than on formatting, filing, printing, and other administrative burdens. GA Lab will facilitate the process for you from A to Z. And it's easy to set up. Provide GA Lab with a few details, and in minutes, you'll be up and running without high upfront costs, expensive servers, or the need for any technical knowledge. Best of all, GA Lab is web-based, so you can check on your assets' compliance with applicable standards from anywhere. You don't have to be in the office to perform gap analysis and gap assessment exercises. You can securely access GA Lab from any computer, tablet, or smartphone and gap analyze your assets on the go. GA Lab will take care of everything else for you to ensure that you complete all the essential steps of the gap analysis process without missing any important point. The system will automatically compile all your work into reports so that all you'll need to do in the end is click one button and print. GA Lab from Asai Tech. A smarter way to drive your assets and business to better quality and managed compliance.